Welcome to Car Review Today. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic and anticipated luxury SUVs of 2025, the all-new BMW X5. A perfect blend of luxury and performance, this SUV is an evolution of BMW's dedication to innovation and will be exploring every detail. But before we get into the latest model, let's take a moment to appreciate its journey. Since its introduction in 1999, the BMW X5 has set the standard for luxury SUVs. As BMW's first foray into the world of SUVs, it revolutionized the market by blending the handling of a sports car with the practicality of an SUV. Over the years, the X5 has continuously evolved, becoming more powerful, more luxurious, and more advanced with each generation. The first generation of the X5, known internally as the E53, was a game changer. It combined BMW's expertise in engineering with off-road capabilities that gave it a dynamic edge over competitors. Fast forward to today, and the 2025 BMW X5 is a culmination of decades of refinement and innovation. From the front, the 2025 BMW X5 shows off its aggressive stance with the iconic kidney grille, now larger than ever. Paired with futuristic hexagonal-shaped headlights, this X5 screams power and innovation. The LED daytime running lights add a modern and classy touch, even when the car is standing still. From the side, the car's aerodynamic profile is crafted to perfection. The 22-inch matte black wheels add an aggressive, sporty touch, while the strong body lines give off an aura of luxury. The sharp sculpting of the body ensures this SUV combines style with practicality. From the rear, the 2025 BMW X5 maintains its bold look. The slim, sharp taillights add a sleek, futuristic accent, while the trapezoidal dual exhausts further enhance the sporty vibe. This car is designed not just for comfort, but for high performance on any terrain. BMW has always been known for its luxurious interiors, and the 2025 X5 is no exception. From cutting-edge tech features to premium materials, everything inside this SUV is designed for the perfect driving experience. The 2025 BMW X5 delivers the perfect combination of performance, luxury, and innovation. With over 2 decades of heritage behind it, this SUV is ready to dominate the roads in style. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on Car Review Today.